Hi everyone, in this video we are going to use a vertical line test to determine if the graph represents a function. So in our previous videos, I've been talking about a function. So how are we going to show that it really represents a function? Because now we have been talking about a graph. So how will we know if this graph is a function? So given our equation of this function, so now it's time to verify this. So then as described by an equation, we can sketch the graph of it, and on the same graph itself we draw a vertical line, which is this of x equals to a certain value, maybe 0, 1 or 2, and this vertical line we shift it horizontally. So if the vertical line intersects on the graph, so if it intersects on this graph more than once, then the graph will not represent a function. So let's start off first, and let's clear this first. So let's say we have this function, we are going to use the same function again, fx equals to minus 4x plus 2. So step 1, let's sketch the graph. So earlier on in our previous video, we learned how to find the intercept. So this is our x-intercept, x-axis, y-axis. Let's sketch it. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 2. So here x equals to 0, y equals to 2. And now for the zeros, whether this graph has a zero output. So when zero output, we have already learned in our video that here, so the zero output occurs when x equals to half and 0. So we notice that this is the form of y equals to mx plus c. So if it's a straight line, so therefore we can write it in this form. This will be our graph. So this is our fx graph. Now step 2, we will do our step 2 here. Our step 2 will be written using green marker. So step 2, this is our vertical line. This is step 2. So in this case, we can see that it intercepts the graph only once here. So let's move it to here. We shift it horizontally, so it intercepts 1. And also for here, you can see that it intercepts the graph only once. And the same goes for here also, where you can see it intercepts once. And let's shift it horizontally backwards. So here, if we were to also do it, it intercepts once. So for here, now step 3. By doing this, so we can see that it intercepts only once. Sorry, so that we can see that it intercepts once for every vertical line. Therefore, this represents a function. So we have already determined whether the equation of this graph represents a function, and yes, it represents. So now we have already come to the end of this lesson. If you have any queries on regards to function, you can look through my previous videos or can also drop me a comment and I'll get back to reply your comment as soon as possible. So thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.